5 years ago, we uploaded our very first video with one simple goal.
To share the food we love and the recipes that bring comfort to our family.
And we could have never imagined how much of a journey it would take us on and the incredible community that would join us along the way.
And for those of you who have been with us right from the beginning, you know that this channel had its first wave of growth with the Goan cuisine.
And it was the story of our heritage, our roots, the flavors we grew up with, and everything that connected us to you.
And your support right from these early days meant the world to us. Over the years, we've grown so much together.
From filming in our first kitchen to doing a home renovation for over a year and now having a dream kitchen and a dream space to create our content, it's been truly an amazing journey to share with you all.
This year we took an exciting step forward.
To rebrand as a mother-daughter duo. And we expanded our content to bring you so much more than just recipes.
And now we take you beyond the kitchen.
Into restaurants, exploring fashion, beauty, home decor, and everything that makes life so flavorful. And to the followers who have been with us from that very first Goan recipe through every step of the way, you have truly been the heart of this journey.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
You watched us grow. You welcomed Shannon into the content. You cheered for every new video. And you encouraged us to keep going.
And now for your comments, which mean everything to us. It's so heartwarming to read them, and we wanted to highlight a few. So the first one was on our home video recently, which said, "Congrats. I love the fact that you both have unwavering tenacity to find and fulfill your dreams. Great inspiration to Goans everywhere." Okay, how about you read them this one here?
Okay, that's a beautiful one. This vlog was beautifully heartwarming, seeing 3 generations together, each shining in their own unique way, made it truly special. Your mother's first appearance brought a graceful warmth, and your daughter's presence added such a lovely touch. Moments like these make your content genuinely meaningful. Looking forward to more wonderful stories like this.
Oh my gosh, that's so lovely.
I know.
Okay, one more. Wow, I didn't know where to start. I just made these and I'm making more for Christmas. Aromatics of this cookie are absolutely incredible. And the taste is so delicious that I can't describe it. The presentation of these cookies are beautiful and festive, and I've tried other recipes, but I found them boring. These cookies are so full of flavor. It's just exceptional. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas.
So happy that they're enjoying all our content.
Absolutely. And these recipes are so tried and tested.
Yep.
And when you comment that you can make it with your eyes closed and know it's going to come well, it's a true testament to all the hard work that you put into it. Cheers. And these messages truly remind us why we keep doing what we do.
A big shout out to all our family and friends.
Your love, encouragement, support, and everything along the way has really encouraged us, even in the moments where we doubted ourselves.
We could have never reached these successful 5 years without you. And this milestone is ours together.
And now for some questions that we get asked very often. You ready?
I might need a sip.
I know, honestly. You're going to have to comment down below if there's any others that you think of. Who eats all the recipes that we taste test and try and share with all of you?
When it is a dish that we're making, it's mostly that we consume it for our next meal. And then each one gives their opinion as to the flavor, the taste, and what they feel needs to be added or reduced. And accordingly, then we tweak it and we share it with you.
Yep, sometimes a lot of opinions.
Yeah.
And then if it's like a sweet or a dessert, we oftentimes will try some ourselves, obviously.
Yeah.
And then our family, friends, neighbors, they're the lucky ones.
Yeah.
But rest assured, nothing goes to waste. We always have someone that's eating it and enjoying it.
Okay, who takes longer to get ready when we're going out?
It's gonna be...
That's rude.
I don't know.
Because I'm seeing to everything else before I get ready.
Yeah. And then I think that, you know, you just like to make sure you're like doing your hair and makeup. And it's nice though to take that me time to like get ready.
I suppose once you get older, you need more makeup.
Where are you looking to travel next?
The next place on my bucket list to visit is definitely Greece.
Greece.
Ah,
I haven't been to Greece either. Very beautiful.
we should go together.
Yeah, we can go together. Girls trip. So who's more messy in the kitchen?
For some reason, she thinks that the dishwasher has a child lock on it.
I don't like touching dirty dishes.
Okay, Shannon, you want to tell us what is your favorite memory creating content with me?
I want to say it was probably when we went on our most recent trip, when we went to Italy, and we got to explore, even when we went to Portugal before. Because you're traveling, you're making memories, but you're also documenting those memories.
Correct.
And it's always fun sometimes to look back on the videos like 2-3 years later and just relive it all over again.
Yeah.
So I think that for me, those memories stay so alive.
I think some of the memories that I really treasure are when we create our recipes together. Because for me, food really brings people together.
Yeah.
And I love, like, you know, creating stuff and sharing my recipes.
Yeah. And now the time has come to celebrate the 5 years together creating content and with all of you. We have a very exciting announcement. With there being so many requests for this, we're thrilled to announce that we are going to be having a live cooking class where Wendy herself will be teaching you how to make a recipe over Zoom.
Spots are limited, so hurry and secure yours so that we can cook together in real time.
And as a thank you, we are excited to offer everyone who is following us on Instagram a 20% off as a thank you. We're really looking forward to this experience with all of you, and hopefully you're excited. And without further ado, the recipe that we are going to be creating together is, drum roll please,
Chocolate Truffles.
the live cooking class is going to be next Sunday, December 7th. More details to follow.
So once again, thanks so much for all your kindness, your support, your encouragement, and for welcoming us into your homes and cooking alongside with us.
For the recipes that started it all to the dishes, experiences, and memories we share today, we're here because of you.
If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? You can help us get to 1 million. Go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell icon so that you're the first one to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And while you're at it, follow us on social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We're on everything. And here's to everything that we have created and accomplished so far, and all that's yet to come.
Now let's get started.
Now,
Let's get started.
It's been a good 5 years.